Yeah, good evening.
Okay, good evening, children. Good evening, all of you. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll just wait for a few more minutes so that all can join. Most of the children can join. Okay, then we'll start. By the time, how are the preparations going on for the exams?
I'm fine.
1 second, just. Okay, children, let's start. Charvik is there, Lasya, Adrit, Soumya, Divesh. Okay, good. Let's do. Okay, everyone, please put on your videos.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Put on your videos. I want to see you all. Yes, I said no. I feel happy when I see you. Okay. Charvik, please put on your videos and keep your videos on only. Okay? Videos should not go off. Right? Thumbs up. Yes. Don't eat while the class is going on. The second time I'm telling you. Okay. Let's continue. We were doing the last exercise of practical geometry, right? So we'll complete that today. And it's a small exercise now. We'll complete it soon. After that, we'll revise for the chapter that I have given you for the Sunday test. But you must have seen by now what chapter I have given you. No? So I have given you integers this time because this time we will be having objective test. Okay. So for objective test, integers is okay.
Ma'am, I got my maths. No, I got my timetable of annual exam.
Oh, great. So
Even me too.
then what means? What do you want to say? You won't be doing the class then?
Ma'am, from 27th onwards, they're going to start.
Okay, so that means
From
you won't be doing
22nd.
with your online class then? Huh? You won't.
Conference, they're gonna start from 22nd.
Ma'am, actually for me, Monday only, ma'am. From Monday only exams, ma'am.
Okay, never mind, better. See, all of you have different dates for your exams, right? For some it's starting from Monday, from some it's starting from 27th, whatever dates. So whatever you feel like, if you don't want to attend the class, don't do it. Okay, prepare for your exam. Whatever exam you have, prepare for that. Right? Okay. And by the time the class will go on, because for those who don't have exam, at least they can continue with their preparation online. Okay. Right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So suppose like Lasya is saying I have exam on Monday. So it's okay. Don't attend your class. We don't have class on Monday, but don't attend on Wednesday. If you have any other subject exam on Thursday and you have maths online class on Wednesday and you don't want to attend, so I don't compel you to attend. But if you feel like attending, you attend. If you do not feel like attending, don't attend. But
Actually,
your priority should be your exam first.
on Monday we have math exam, ma'am, and
Okay.
Monday and Tuesday also. It's
Monday.
math,
How come 2 days exam?
techno and state, ma'am. Actually, in our school they will divide like that, ma'am.
Okay, never mind. Classes will go on. If you want to
Ma'am,
attend,
so
you
can we
attend.
start revision because my maths exam is on March 4th?
Yes, that's what I
Mine is
was
on
saying.
March
You
18th.
all were saying we want to do practical geometry. Some of you don't have it in the syllabus, but some of you were saying we have. So never mind. Today, just in half an hour, we'll be able to finish the last exercise and then we'll revise integers, right? And for tomorrow, I am taking ratio and proportions for revision, right? And if in every class, we will take 1 or 2 chapters for revision.
I also even have constructions now.
Okay, construction is practical geometry only. It's nothing different. Okay, we are doing constructions only in this. So construction and practical geometry is the same thing. Okay, Bacha Party, let's start now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Practical geometry कहाँ चला गया? Practical geometry not here. Okay. Now see, we were on the last exercise 14.6 and after that everything is over. Okay, the chapter is over. And most of this we have already done also. We have done how to construct angle 60 degree. Okay, we learned day before yesterday. 30 degree also we know how to construct, 90 degree also we know, 120 also we know, 45 also we know. How will we construct? First we will make 90 degree angle. You all know how to make 90 degree
One
angle.
90 degree and
When you
we'll
Yes,
bisect it.
when you bisect 90 degree, you will get 45 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Okay, ma'am.
135. How will you get 135? See, when you make 60-degree angle like this, 60-degree like this, you make, no? From this point, then like this, another arc, this is 120-degree. When you make another arc, this will be 180. 60 plus 60 plus 60. This will be 180. So when you bisect 120 and 180-degree angle, you get 150-degree. When you construct 120 and 180-degree angle, you get 150 degrees, no? Okay. And when you bisect 120 and 150-degree, you will get 135. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. From
Okay.
120 to 150 is 30 degrees. So when you
Yes,
bisect 120 to 150, you will get 135.
Okay.
I hope you all are understanding.
Yes, ma'am.
Divesh, you're looking
Yes.
confused.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so this is how you get 135. Okay, so you need not be making all these angles. You don't have to make 60 first, then 90, and then that, then that. Just make arcs. For 60, just make an arc. For 120, make for 120, make another arc like this. Okay, and between 120 and 180, take a bisector. Open the compass little more than this arc, then make an arc here. Keep the pointer here, make another arc here. You join this, you will get 150 degrees. Okay, this was 120, this is 150 you will get. And when you bisect this, that means when you bisect like this, keeping the pointer here, take an arc, keeping the pointer here, take an arc, you get this line, this is 135. Okay. Right? Okay, so you should first observe 135 is lies between which two numbers. That means it's greater than 120 means and less than 150. That means just check out whether it's the bisector of that. Bisector means just the middle point. Is it the middle point of that? Okay. Okay, now see this question number 70, this one, first one. Draw angle POQ with measure 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. We had done this. Okay. So what was that? We drew 75 degree angle with the protector first. Okay. We did it with the protector first. And then we made a line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means bisector. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
an angle, the bisector is the line of symmetry. Okay, draw an angle of measure 147 and construct its bisector. The same thing, 147 also we cannot make with arcs like this. So we make it with protector first, 147 degrees, and then we bisect it. Simple. Now you all know how do we bisect angles?
73.5 degrees.
Yes. Third is, we need not be doing it again because we have already done this. Okay, draw. Third one is draw a right angle and construct its
90.
bisector. Now you have to make a
145
90 degree
degrees.
angle, right angle, and then make a bisector. Make like
45.
this arc and
Ma'am, it will
take
be
one arc here, keep the pointer here, another arc, get it like this. So this will be bisector of 90 degree, that is 45 degrees. Okay. Next one, question number 4. Draw an angle of measure 153 and divide it into 4 equal parts. Now 153, again you will make it with your protector. Okay. So make it with the protector. I'll show you. And then you have to make divide into 4 equal parts. So for 4 equal
176.5.
so for 4 equal parts, what will you do? Suppose this is 1 second. Let me take the eraser. I'll make some space here. Okay. This is angle 153. Look here. Now with the protector first you will make an angle 153. Now suppose your 153 lies here. This is line A, B and this is C. Suppose your and this angle DBC, DCB is 153 degrees. Okay, this is 153 degrees. Now first you will make the bisector of 153 angle. You will make a semicircle. Keep your pointer here, make a semicircle like this. Then keep your pointer here, open it little more, make an arc here, keep the pointer here with the same measurement, make an arc. The line that you get is the bisector of 153. Okay, this line EC is the bisector of 153 angles. Please pay attention. Now see, now you have two angles here, DCE and ECB. Okay. Okay, please say
Yeah,
yes or no.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now you have two angles. Now you will bisect each of these angles. You will bisect DCE also and ECB also. So to bisect ECB, you will keep your pointer here, make an arc, keep the pointer here, make an arc, join it. You get the bisector of for angle ECB. So I'll just name it as F. Okay, so now FC is the bisector of ECEB angle. Okay, understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, we will bisect this angle also, DCE. So keep your pointer at this point. Okay, on line CE, make an arc with the same measurement, compass with the same compass setting. Keep the pointer here, cut this arc, join it with the center part C. So now EFG. Now this GC is the bisector of angle DCE. Now have we got four equal parts? See,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
you can see we have divided this angle 153 into four equal parts. This part, this part, this part, this part. And all are equal also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you all have understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. What about others? Soumya, Lasya,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
who's this?
Ma'am, Ashwata, I joined now only.
Okay,
I have
Ashwath,
no
first of all, listen carefully now. First of all, with the protector, make angle 153. Okay. Understood this much?
Okay,
Understood
ma'am.
this much? Okay. Then make a bisector of angle 153. Now suppose this is your line 153 degrees. Now make a bisector for this. When you make a bisector, you will make it like this. Like this, some line you will get here. This is your bisector. Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Understood this much, Ashwath?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What can we create?
Now we have two equal angles, right? Now we will bisect each one of them. First we will bisect this angle, then we will bisect this angle. So when we bisect this angle, open your pointer a little more, make an arc here, make an arc here, join it. So now this angle is divided into two equal parts. Similarly, you will bisect this angle also. Keep the pointer here, make an arc, pointer here, make an arc, join it. This is your bisector for this angle. Got it? Understood, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we have four equal angles here. That means we have divided 153 degrees to four equal parts. Okay, so we have done this four equal parts. You can even check, verify with your protector also. Okay. Now question number 5, we have done all these parts. Okay. 60 degree we know, 30 we know, 90 we know, 120 we know, 45 we know, 135 also we know. 135 lies between 120 and 150. So bisector of 120 and 150 will be 35 degrees. Okay. And how will you get 150? 150 is the bisector of 120 and 180. So you will get 150. And when you get 150, then you will bisect 120 and 150 degree. Now see this, draw an angle of measure 45 degree and bisect it. Now, first you make 90 degree, bisect it, then you will get, when you bisect 90 degree angle, you will get 45 degrees. Okay. Now you will bisect this 45 degrees angle. It's written, no, measure angle 45 degree and bisect. Now you will bisect this angle. So here you will bisect it. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to do. See, I am doing this quickly because I have shown you how to bisect angles now. Now I cannot show you for each and every measurement. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot show you for each and every. Suppose if you are given 85 degree angle, so I won't show you each and every measurement, because once I have taught you the concept how to bisect angles, that means you should practice now. Okay. Only for these 147, 153, those angles which are not constructed by like this, no, with compass, that you have to take with protector. But 45, you know how to construct with compass. And similarly, yes.
Mom, tomorrow it's duty for me on the same chapter construction.
Hmm.
So like, can you give some hard sums?
Okay. Okay. Where do you want these hard sums for your homework?
No, mom, in the class.
In the class. See, in
Yeah.
the class now, since other students also have their exams, so after this, I will be revising integers. Okay. I'll
Yes.
give you some sums so that you can practice for your, I'll give you in the homework section. Okay, after the class.
Okay.
Okay. Now draw an angle of measure 135 degree and bisect it. So 135 you can easily make with the compass. Where will you get 135 degrees? Just now I told you between 120 and 150 you will get your 135 degree angle. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So once you get 135 degree like this obtuse angle, you just have to bisect it. Make a semicircle like this. Take a pointer here, bisect it. Pointer here, bisect it. Okay. Like this. So you get the bisector for 135 degrees. Now, draw an angle of 70 degree. Make a copy of it using only a straight edge and compass. Now, these two sums are something different. This I'll teach you now. How to make a copy of the angle without any actual measurement. Okay, let's see. Let me just create a space here. I'm wiping out all these things. Okay, shall I clear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, first of all, make angle of 70 degree with your protector in your notebooks now. Everyone, please make 70 degree angle with the protector. Then I'll show you how to make a copy of it. Okay, so this space is cleared now. Okay, let's see now 70 degree. Everyone, please pay attention now. Stop. Keep your pens down. Stop doing now. Okay. First, simply make angle of 70 degree with your protector. Okay. Suppose this is angle 70 degrees. I name it as AOB angle. Okay, this is 70 degrees. Okay, this much all have understood how to make just with the protector, directly with the protector. Now I'll show you how to make a copy of this. To make a copy of this, first you will make a straight line. Straight line, name it anything, line L. Okay, don't make, just only listen first. Then what will you do? Okay, now open your compass with this measurement, okay, right. With this measurement, just mark, keep your compass at point O. Okay, do one thing, don't do that. Keep your compass at this line. Okay, keep your compass at this point O on a new line and make a semicircle like this, as we were generally doing. Okay. Done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, with your compass measurement, measure like this also. Make an arc like this here also. Okay. Then with your same compass measurement, make an arc like this also. On both angles, on this line also, on this angle also. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, keep your compass here, measure this from this point C to D. Keep your compass pointer here, your pencil here, measure this much distance from C to D. Measure this much compass distance C to D. One second.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, children. Now,
Ma'am.
okay, this much you have done now.
Yes,
You made
ma'am.
arc on this line also, you made arc on this angle also. Now with your compass measurement, you have measured the C to D distance. Everyone has.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now keep the same measurement at this point here. I'm calling it as P. Okay. Keep your pointer at P and this measurement which you have taken here, CD, make an arc like this here. Okay. Done? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now you have this point as Q, this point. Now I join Q with O and I extend it further. Now this is my copy of angle AOB, okay? I name it as ROP. Angle AOB is now equal to angle ROP. Got it? Okay. Everyone got it? Understood how to make a copy of the angle?
Ma'am, I am not
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
that. A, B, that one.
Make simple angle 70 degree with the protector first. Make 70 degree angle just with the protector. Please follow the instructions as I am telling you. Construction is something that if you miss one step, you will not understand the other one. So don't get up from your place once we have started any sum. Okay. First make 70 degree angle just with the protector. I'll show you again this. Make 70 degree angle like this. Done this much, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now make another line like this.
Oh, ma'am.
Make line like this, PQ.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now take your compass and pencil and keep your pointer at O and make a semicircle like this over this angle. Done? Make a semicircle over angle OAB as I have shown you here.
Okay, ma'am.
With the same compass setting, make the similar arc, semicircle arc, keeping the pointer at P like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? Now I'm taking these points as C and D. On angle AOB, I'm taking 2 points, this point as C and this point as B. Done? Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Take your compass and measure this angle. With your compass, keep your pointer at C and pencil at D. Measure this distance. Just take the compass setting on this. Keep your pointer at C and pencil at D. Done?
Ma'am, one. Yes, ma'am.
Now take the compass and keep your pointer at this point. Okay, I'm taking this point as R. Keep your pointer at point R and the same measurement which you have taken here for CD, make an arc like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'm calling this point as PQRS. I'm calling this point as S. This point. Now you join P with S and extend it further.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? You
Yes.
got this angle? Now this angle is the copy of angle AOB. Okay? Angle AOB is equal to angle TPQ. You can measure it with your protector. So PPQ is a copy of angle AOB. Okay? We made first AOB angle 70 degree. Then without any measurement, just with the compass, we made a copy of this. Okay? You can verify it by checking with the protector. All right? Everybody understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Only 2 children have understood. Only 2 yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What about others?
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
understood.
Lasya is understood. Soumya, Advika, Ridesh, Maji. No answer from you.
Ma'am, I
Adrit.
understood.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see this next one. Draw, and this you will do now. Draw an angle of 40 degrees. Copy its supplementary angle. I'll explain you what is supplementary angle. Now you have to do this. It's on the same lines as we have done for 70 degree. Okay. Now supplementary angle is what? When I make 40-degree angle, this is 40-degree angles. Okay. Then the supplementary angle is the remaining angle. This makes the linear pair, no? If I add these two angles, it makes 180 degree. Is it? So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So this angle other than 40 degree is called supplementary angle.
Ma'am, so we should make a copy of 140 degree.
Listen first, you don't have to do anything different. You just make a copy of 40 degree, and when you get 40 degree, the remaining part will be the supplementary angle only. Okay. So make 40 degree angle first. Make 40 degree angle first. Make 40 degree with your protector and create a copy of 40 degree. Make 40 degree angle first and then make a copy of 40 degree as we did for 70 degree, no? Similarly, do for 40 degree. Are you doing? Making angle of 40 degree? Make a copy of 40
Yes, ma'am.
degree. Everybody please do. You will be showing me this. I want to see your work.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So you have made a copy of 40 degree
Yes, ma'am.
and the remaining angle on the other side of 40 degree is. Now look here, see this.
Supplementary angle.
Yes, so extend this line also, this dotted line, make it a proper line. So this angle is 140 degree. Automatically you get 140 degree angle. Okay. You don't have to put in any extra efforts for this. You just make a copy of 40 degree and the remaining part is 140. 180 minus 40 is 140. No? I hope you have understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who has not understood, please write in the chat box that you have not understood. And if you have understood, then put on your videos and show me thumbs up. Good. Advika, yes. Ashwath, yes. Only 3 thumbs ups. Nine students are there.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Who's this?
Not Divyesh.
Yes, Divesh, I can see. Good, Divesh. Okay, 4 children. Any more? So the remaining 4 have not given me any answer. Charvik,
Oh, actually, I'm still doing it.
you're still doing. Okay. Ridesh, no answer from Ridesh. Ashwath, no answer from your side. Yes, I got Soumya's answer. Ridesh Maji. Ashwath, done. Ashwath Kumar, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this was it, what we had in the chapter, right? So please practice making all these angles. The basic ones are 30 degree, 60, 90, and you should know how to make the angle bisector. See, same method is there to make any kind of bisector, right? Either it be
Yes,
for
ma'am.
either it is for angle or it is for a perpendicular line. Okay, perpendicular bisector. The method is the same. It's only in the case of bisector that we open the compass little more than this semicircle. Okay. When we had to construct a bisector, we open the compass little more than this semicircle part. If we have to make an angle bisector for this, then we will open our compass little more than this measurement. Okay. Right? This is the difference. I hope all have understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, with this, we end this chapter. If you still have any doubts, you can come to me, you can ask me. Okay, and practice this. This will come with practice, and surely I'll give you some sums for homework also. Okay, and you must practice that.
I'm done.
Okay,
Can
good.
you see it?
Yes.
Then can you see?
1 second. Yes, Adrit,
And this is,
Charvik,
and
Charvik.
this is the copy of,
This is,
and,
so where is the copy of this?
this is copy and this is the protractor.
No, I want to see supplementary angle of this. This is a copy. And first make 40 degree and then make a copy of that. And in that copy, show me 140 degree. Once you make 40 degree, the copy, this remaining part is 140 only, no? Okay. So now I want to revise chapter integers with you. Shall we move to integers? One by one, we'll take all the chapters into
Mom, can you give
Yes,
some
ma'am.
give what?
IMO? Can you give questions from IMO?
IMO. Okay, I'll find out questions from that. But there you don't get construction questions. You will get those objective types. Okay. Okay, I'll give you some questions for integers now. Let's move to another page. We are revising integers now.
Done. Ma'am, this is 140.
Okay. Okay.
Mom, shall we start?
We are starting. Let me just take out the pages. Now you will be doing the sums. I'll only give you. Okay. Okay, now this is compute. Compute means is to solve. 30 plus minus 25 plus minus 10. Start doing by the time I'm giving you more sums.
Ma'am, I got
Okay, so please do this. I'm giving you sums and we'll discuss also. Now I'll ask each one of you. Okay? Each one of you will tell me how have you done, what answer have you got. And you will be showing me on the screen app also. Okay, do these sums. Be careful about the negative sign, okay? Okay, wherever negative sign is there, the sign changes.
Ma'am, can you explain one sum?
Okay. Who's this? Lasya is saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see this first one. I'll explain you the first one. 30 plus minus 25 plus minus of 10. Okay. Now this is 30 plus and minus. Plus into minus, what do you get? Plus into minus will be
Minus.
So I'll write minus here. 25 plus and minus together minus 10.
Minus.
Okay. Right. Now 30 minus 25 is
5, ma'am.
5. 5 minus 10.
10 minus 5, ma'am.
Okay. And sign of the bigger number. 10 minus 5 is 5, no? We are doing operation minus. Okay. And sign of the bigger number. Whatever is the bigger number sign, the sign will come.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am?
Yes.
No, I'm saying second one, ma'am.
Which second one? Second question, what happened?
I'm saying, ma'am.
You want me to do second one for you?
No, ma'am. I'm just saying, can you tell whether it is correct or not, ma'am?
Yes, I'll ask you it, but first you try. I'll be asking all answers from you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah.
But I tried first time now, ma'am. That's why I want to.
You have not done this chapter earlier? Hmm?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have not done this chapter earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
What, yes or say yes or no? Have you done or not?
Yes, ma'am. Last year came, ma'am, but
Last year? You don't have
yes,
this chapter this year.
yes, ma'am.
You don't have this chapter in your class 6th now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but I'm getting only 3, ma'am. Oh, okay, ma'am. Understood.
See, when you have two signs, make these two signs to one sign. Okay, I'll show you just here. 70 plus minus 20 plus minus 30. Now I have these two signs. No, I will make these two signs to one sign. Okay. So I will just take down 70 as it is. Then these two signs I will make it to 1. How will I make this?
Minus
Plus into minus will give me minus.
minus 20.
So this becomes minus 20. Now again here I have two signs. I'll make it to 1. So when I reduce it, plus into minus will give me minus.
Minus.
And 30 here.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the last two.
Okay. Then 70 minus 20 is
No, I completed all the sums.
50. Okay.
68.
Then 30 as it is taken down. 50 minus 30 is 20.
20.
Okay. So what is your answer for this? 20. Okay, children, please check your answers as I'm doing here. I'm showing you.
And I completed all.
Very nice. That's great.
Ma'am, me too.
Good.
Ma'am, what should we do that the lines are there? In last
Hmm.
Man,
That
can I
is
say?
mods. That is
Ma'am,
in
the
mod
answer
sign,
is
modulus.
Man, can I say?
Yes, modulus is something. These are magic lines. Whatever you put inside this, it comes out positive.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Remember that. So there is some
Yes, ma'am.
operation in this. Minus 3 plus 2. So what is 2 minus 3? Will be minus 1. 3 minus 2 is 1, no? And sign
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
bigger number. Okay. So what do you have inside? Minus 1. And inside the magic box, when it comes out, it will come out positive.
1.
Okay. And same thing here also. This minus 24 is separately in this modulus sign. So this will come out positive 24. And here you have minus sign without any lines. And here you have within the lines, you have minus 25. So this will come out positive here. Now there is no lines here. There are no lines here, no? I have taken down this positive. I have taken out this positive. Getting? Understanding, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I have taken down minus 24 out of these lines. It came out positive. I took out minus 25 out of these two lines. It came out positive. So now it's 24 minus 25, which is minus 1. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes. So practice with your own hands. Just by looking at the screen, ma'am is doing and I am understanding, that won't solve the problem. Do it with your own hands. Okay. That will build confidence in you.
Mom, shall I say the second one?
Which second one?
Mom, the second sum.
It's already given here. The answer I have already written. Please check your answer. Third one is also written. Give me answer for the fourth one.
Mom, it's minus 60.
Great. Okay. Fifth one.
Mom, -8.
Very nice. Now somebody else will give me answer for this.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, give.
Ma'am, -7.
Is it -7? Which question is? Okay, -7. Okay, right. Okay, next one.
Ma'am, 0.
0.
Okay, next. Good. Please mute somebody. Wherever the disturbance is, please mute for some time. Okay. So we are done with these sums. I'll give you some more.
Ma'am, we didn't did this 9th, 10th.
What happened? Okay, answer for this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer
Ma'am,
for
for
this?
9, it is 20, -20.
-20. What is the answer
Yes,
for
ma'am.
this?
And -20 degree.
Say it clearly. Please mute wherever the disturbance is.
Ma'am, -20.
-20.
Are all getting the same? See the signs.
Yes, ma'am.
Be -29, -17, and +26. 26 minus -29 gives you -3. Okay, so -3, this is minus of 20. Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have -11 plus 28 minus 7 minus 8. What is the answer for this?
Ma'am, it is 2. Positive 2.
Positive 2. Have all got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, let me give you some more sums. So children, this time,
And these are from which thing? Explanation. Exam.
this is from where?
Ma'am, from where are you taking these questions?
From different books, bache. There is no limit to the concept. From different books I'm taking. Okay. Even for IMO, you don't know from which book you get questions. Okay, you get from anywhere. You have your NCRT book, you have your exemplar book, you have ample number of books. Okay. So practice is not just restricted to 1 or 2 books. You must know the concept and you can do any book, whichever you want. All books are good. Okay, now evaluate. Evaluate means to find out. -5 inside the mod, minus of 3 inside the mod, minus mod of 8. Do this.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. Yes, ask.
Ma'am, after 5,
Hmm.
ma'am, you said first question now, ma'am. After 5, if we got plus symbol, how we have to do?
You are asking about this question, no? Evaluate one.
Yes, ma'am.
See now minus sign, -5 is inside the these modulus sign. These 2 sticks, can you see this stick, this one and this one? This is called modulus sign, mod. Okay, in short we call it mod. So whenever any number is inside this, when it comes out of this mod sign, it comes out positive. Okay, Lasya?
Okay, ma'am.
Then I have minus sign. Listen carefully. Then I have minus sign. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I have -3 again inside this modulus sign. Got it? Can you see? And when this comes out, this also comes out positive. Then I have minus sign. Now this is 8 inside the modulus sign. So 8 is already positive, and when it comes out of this, it will remain positive only. Okay. Now I have to solve this 5 minus 3 minus 8. Now 5 minus 3 is 2 and minus 8. Yeah. 8 minus 2 is 6 and sign of the bigger number. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. After modulus sign, ma'am, if we get plus.
So suppose after modulus sign, if you have plus sign here, then I will get plus here. If I have plus here, I will get plus here. And my answer will change. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay. So plus and minus sign, you don't have to worry about that. If it is plus, then do plus. If it is minus, then do minus. Okay, children? Please practice this. And tomorrow we'll revise ratio and proportions also. Okay. So let's wind up the class today. Thank you. Bye to all.